above Burbank, down there. That's a little golf course there. I'm at Wildwood Canyon Park, and I was on this hike once before, a long time ago, actually January 1st with a large group. We're headed up to the peak in the far distance there with the cell phone towers. It's actually very high up. It's about a 2,300 foot elevation gain. And I've just started and I'm already winded. This is mid-April. There's some of the wildflowers that are starting to come out this time of year. The yellow is wild mustard. There's a lot of the mustard. See the yellow? It's actually very pretty. As I said, I just started, but look at that view already. It's pretty magnificent. This is Wildwood Canyon Park in Burbank, and I believe it was 93 degrees when I started. More of the wildflowers. I really like the blue purple ones. There's quite a few of those out already. The trail is pretty steep here at the beginning. I'm kind of holding my iPod vertically. You can maybe get an idea how steep the trail is. I'm not going very fast. The whole trail is quite steep. I need to conserve my energy. More of the blues and the mustard. There's a couple guys I just passed. Hello. I don't see anybody right now, but the building down there is actually a shooting range partway up the hill. It's pretty isolated, and the one other time I was on this trail, there was a guy down there shooting. But we're well up above, and he's got, you know, his area to shoot into. It's something. I don't know if you can see him, there's a couple women headed down. I was just gonna take this. See the spider webs? Here for scale, that's my hand, so they're not real big. It's kind of cool though, huh? There's a whole series of them here. If you can see that. I don't see the spiders, but it's kind of cool. You can see right here, going up the trail, right in the middle of the trail, they have these, they're like railroad ties. And I think that's mainly to help guard against erosion when it does rain here. I'm headed again up to the top there where you can maybe see the cell phone towers. On the video it probably doesn't look that high up, but I got a long ways to go. And the rest of the trail, again, I'm holding vertical. The trail is pretty steep from here the rest of the way. And it's pretty much like this the rest of the way up. So there's, looking back towards the city, there's that shooting range. There's another branch of the trail. I wasn't actually on that one that you see. I came, there's an intersection right at the top there, and I came from the other side. This is really a very beautiful trail. Burbank, California. Just a couple of months ago, or maybe I think it was last month, we were at the Tonight Show with Jay Leno on VIP tickets because we were with somebody that used to work for the show. So she knew everybody on the set there and was talking with everybody. It was a lot of fun. Right in dead center of the image is actually Burbank Airport, which is a pretty large airport. I've never flown out of there, but it's pretty big. There's the trail rules, partway up. Here's me partway up with that very sexy hat to keep that sun off my head. It's awfully damn hot today. There's a clearing here with the picnic table if you need a breather. There's my trail. I'm looking down. That's not straight across. I'm looking down. Here's a pretty good sized clearing. And there's my trail leading on up. When I started, I had 2 1/4 liters of water with me. I just finished the first ½ liter. I've been hiking for about, there's the airport, about 37 minutes. I got a long ways to go. Plus, when I started, there's these switchbacks that go up and up and up. When I started, I had consumed a ½ liter of water on the drive over here, and then at the water fountain I drank another ½ liter. So I started with a lot of water in my belly. But if I drink too much of this water, I'll head back before I get to the top. I think I'll be okay, but I'm not done. As you know, they have wildfires here in the LA area. You can see this charred log from one of them. Hard to say how old that is. I don't know. There, I'm holding the iPod completely vertical. That shows you how high up I am. Did you see it? It's a little lizard. There's a lot of them here. See him? Lizard. Come on, buddy, show yourself. There he goes. I'm almost there. That's closer than it looks in the camera. But there's still some steep climbing. But I should be there in just a couple minutes. Just passed a guy on his way down. Here we are. Just finishing. It's leveled off quite a bit. That last bit is pretty steep. There's a chair, but it's facing the sun. It goes on, but I'm done. There's an inscription here. I don't know if you can see it. In loving memory of Willie Mein. It's a German name. I got a feeling Willie was from the Alps and liked to come up here a lot. Man, I don't know what that was. They might have been, they have turkey vultures and things around here. They were great big birds. Damn. I wish I had my iPod ready for that. They flew right in front of me. There was 2 of them. Damn. You can see the dead branch sticking out. That would have been, I'm pretty sure, killed from a fire. But the vegetation comes right back, as you can see. You see that kind of thing all over around here. Dear Lord, it's hard not to fall in love with Southern California. I took a branch, I think the wrong way, but this is just taking me down a different direction, that's all. I can hear people down below me, and I think I'm going to get on a road and then I'll have to walk the road for a little ways, that's all. No big deal. As long as I'm headed down, that's what counts. See something new. Look at those yellow flowers. Pretty cool.